Hello, good morning. Good morning, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good. By the way, what is your name? My name is Inna. And you? I am Mina. I am Mina. You look new here. Yes, I just come here today to visit a relative of mine. Where are you from? I am from Dhaka. Do you live here? Yes, I live nearby, just a few blocks ahead on School Road. How long do you live here? Since my childhood. Actually, I am born and brought up here. Then you must be knowing this area very well. Yes, of course. Well, which road does your relative live on? Well, she lives on Marine Road 14. Oh, it is very close to my house then. How long will you stay here? Until next weekend. Then I will go back to Dhaka. Happy to know that you are here for a while. Would you like to come down my house for a coffee someday while you are here? I will be happy to come. Thanks for the invitation. You are welcome. By the way, who do you live with? I live with my parents. And what do you do? I study at Chittagong University. What do you study there? I am a third-year honors student in physics. That is great. You should be genius. Thanks for the compliments. By the way, what about you? I am a teacher at school. Now I am on summer vacation. And trying to enjoy the time. How do you enjoy your vacation? Well, I like visiting new places and knowing people. Hope you will like here as well. By the way, I am also on vacation. I will be happy to give you company, in case you need. I should appreciate that. It will help me a lot to know your area. Would you like to give me your mobile number, please? Sure, here it is 011114540029. Give me a missed call and I will save yours. Thank you very much, Enna. It is very nice to meet you. My pleasure. Sorry, I got to go now. Hope to see you again. Goodbye. Bye, have a good day.